Libra. I can't relate. Desperation. Hey guys, it's Maureen and welcome back to the channel. We are going to be unboxing the Airpods. Why can't I pronounce it? So we are going to be unboxing the Airpods Max. There you go. So if you guys are interested on this unboxing, just keep on watching. Okay, let's do it. I have been wanting to unbox this, but I wasn't able to because I was editing other videos. So I'm excited today or tonight. Okay, let's do it. So this is actually the Starlight color, and they released more colors, but I chose the Starlight because why not? Since we have the Ultra, hopefully it will match it, but I have the Starlight Apple Watch before I send this to, oh god, before I send it to Apple, because I traded this in for the Series 10, so I just wanna like match it and like see if they are the same color. I wish there was a Starlight on the Series 10, but it's fine. Okay, so let's unbox this. I can't wait. My friends are finally answering my texts. Okay, let's do it. By the way, I got this from Best Buy, not at the Apple store. Okay, are you guys ready? Wait, let's make this kind of farther away. There we go. Okay, ready? Go. Oh my god! So it's like a kind of very dull gold or something. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's put this in here. And then we've got a paperwork, and I'm sure there isn't any stickers because Apple already stopped the stickers. So we just have like a bunch of paperwork here, but this one on the top is just instructions of turning on Bluetooth active, blah 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 blah, and then how it's connected and noise control, the spatial audio too, and all that jazz. And then we've got a braided charger, USB-C. So just gonna put that back there. And here is the beautiful Starlight headphones. Oh my gosh. So it's time. It's time to take it off from this plastic. There. Wow. Holy cow. Okay, I'll take this off here. So it's like a kind of dirty white-ish, the color for the top here and in here. With this headphones right here, the detachable one. That's cool. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try it on. It's blinking already there, if you guys can see that. See, it's blinking, so I think it's ready for me to put it on. So I have to look for my phone. Okay, got my phone here. Again, we have the Desert Titanium, so look at this. I think I'm gonna try this on, guys. Okay, let's do it. Adjust it here, and then I can't hear anything. So I think I have to like get this close. Oh, I see it, I see it. It's already, I see that it's showing now. What's the instruction? Or do I have to charge this? I don't know. Let me see the instruction. So, turn on Bluetooth. I already have my Bluetooth on, dude. I already got my Bluetooth on. There's a lot of text, guys. And my battery is dying. I'll silent this. Hide alerts. There you go. So I can focus.
2,000 years later.
But you showed me the good and I'm getting there. When I look at you,
Do it. There. Yay. It showed it. Let's connect.
get into my life. I can climb a mountain, get
So let me try listen to a music. Airpods, Maureen's Airpods Max number 2.
I can read your mind. He's having the time of her life.
In the middle of a crowded room, my love. So on the new Airpods Max, they have 5 more new colors. They've got the blue, they've got the purple, they've got the midnight, they've got the starlight, which we have here, and the orange. I was really like attracted with the purple, but it's kind of tacky. My plan was actually to match this phone with my Airpods Max, so when I'm traveling, I'm kind of matchy, right? So that is my plan, and so that's why I got the Desert Titanium and this one. We've got the Starlight Series 8 right here, and here is the AirPods. So I wish that I'm not sending this back, and I wish the Series 10 has its own Starlight. I love this so much, guys. I'm so glad I got the Starlight instead of the purple, especially with my other my watch and my phone. So I like that I got the Starlight. So I'm really happy with the color that I chose. Super excited to use this. The USB-C right here. Look at that. So we can finally uniformly charged, even if it's just the colors that they like changed this year. And with a USB-C, I'm still kind of glad that they finally did a Starlight, because I was hoping that there would be a Starlight dirty white kind of color. I know there was a white that they released the last time, but I like this better. I'm so excited with this unboxing, guys. So thank you for joining me in unboxing this, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I will see you on my next one. Bye. This is my bag.